We are here at Plaster City. You can hear the cars running. This guy's already got his helmet on. He's ready to go. You ready to go drive?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Suspension was great, and I was going over tons of stuff very fast. It's a big difference than my other Rzr, very big difference, and I really want to get this one. This is awesome. So I can't wait to go drive again, and that was very fun. I liked how everything on this thing. Hanging out at Sand Dam, and I'm going to take my dad's Rzr up the huge hill.
can see, it is dark. That means we had a full day of fun out here. Are you hungry? You're eating your fingers. What do you got to say? You're totally quiet. What did you think? Did you have fun today?
Yeah, the car is awesome. I just love it, what we did to it, how we made that seat suspension and that pedal
Yeah,
extension.
the pedal extension, so we could reach the pedals with the seat moved up. So definitely a lot of fun. Really, we're gonna have some cool footage of that. And then we also took the Rzr Turbo S out. Yeah, we probably did 100 miles on it or so today.
And where else did we go?
That was it. We went over to Sand Dam.
Yeah, that's what
And then came back and just hit up some dunes. So that's it. It's dark. It's time to head home. This is just a day trip. So
subscribe to Growing Up Garage, Tech Designs, and Jeremy's Roll 10. Give us a big like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!